Hi.
Ah,
Okay, Mr.
สวัสดีค
Mon.
รับ
สวัสดีครับ
Yeah.
How do you feel after finished my AutoCAD 2D course?
Hmm. Yes, I believe that I am using the application much more effectively now. It's
Oh,
be-
great,
yes.
great. Your English skill is not good, but you can learn by yourself from video, right?
Yes, it's really simple to understand, but oftenly I have to reward this. I think that miss not be able to catch up.
Oh, okay. I will tell you about my style teaching. It's slowly, so that why you can do step by step from the each lesson, right?
Um, I have no doubt that you are then effectively a teacher is moved slowly and is simple to follow. That's appreciated.
Okay, thanks. Okay, finish review. I will give you the ebook Basic AutoCAD 2D. Thanks, Mr. Mon.
Thank you very much.